This is DSH Gasifier from Manglam Gasifier Company. Right now this system is using agro waste pellets. This system will convert these pellets into a gas. This gas will go to ESP filtration. We can see the tall filter. It's called ESP filtration. This system will convert the gas into a blue color flame, ultra clean flame. This system runs with the help of PLC control. These are the different panels to run this system. One panel is for the gasification system, another one is for the ESP system. After ESP filtration, the gas travels through the pipeline and goes inside the factory. It has been connected to multiple swing ovens and rotary ovens. We are just demonstrating one swing oven, the connection in one swing oven. As we can see, this automatic burner and the flame, it's a blue color flame. It is ultra clean. This is the panel. We can also see the temperature. This is the swing oven. This is the normal course of swing oven. Manufacturing of bread. This is the finished goods, the final bread. Thank you.